loves, hello, welcome to a new vlog. The time is 7:33. I don't know if you can see, and I just uploaded a new video on my channel. It's my birthday vlog. If you haven't seen it, after this video you should go and watch it. My hair is so itchy, guys. I need to know how many times you wash your hair in a month. I wash my hair every 2 weeks, and I have very itchy scalp, right? Let me just know how many times you wash your hair. If you have 4C hair like me, I want to know how many times you wash your hair. And if you have itchy scalp, what do you do? Because I don't know if it's oiling, because when I oil my scalp a lot, it's very, I don't know, it feels very dirty and I still have to wash it. So.
I'm falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do.
Anyways, for my scent today, I'm going to be wearing this Magnificently Dubai. It was also gifted. Love the smell. It's part of the Jo Mallone's collection, and I love the packaging. Like, you open it like a book, comes with, and then here you go, the perfume. It smells the smell is amazing. I don't know why this thing is not just focusing on me. I'm your goal. Focus on your goal, baby. Then this one, you should have seen it. It's Zara Temptation in summer. Then the Wonder Rose Zara collection. I've been using this one since. Okay, like I had one in Nigeria that was also gifted, but I got this one in Italy when I was in Italy. Yeah, when I was in Milan, right? So yeah, that's it for my perfume. Okay, guys, I just need to eat something and head out real quick because no room for laziness today. Let me quickly show you guys what I'm wearing. My jeans, this is Miss K Boutique from Nigeria. My top is ASOS. My jacket is Bershka. Bershka, baby. This is from Bershka. Yeah, so this is what I'm giving right now. I'm taking out this purse for the first time. It was gifted for my birthday. Absolutely gorgeous. It's from Zara. Love it. I love when people know what I like. My stomach looks good today. Look at that. Look at what waist. Where is the waist? No, show me the waist.
Go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows. Cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain. Maybe you can do the same. Want me to say
I'm going to receive my COVID vaccine. I don't think I should wear this top. That's true. I should wear like a short top, right? I'm just getting the vaccine because first it was very stressful to get it in Nigeria, and when I finally got a slot, honestly, I was no longer interested. I want to receive it now because some countries still have COVID restrictions. Like if you're not being vaccinated, is just kind of complicated for you to travel or even process things. That's why I have to go and get it. And I'm also scared. When I was in Italy, right, I was just scared. Somebody was telling me to wear a mask. Something was just, I don't know if I was smelling COVID. Before then, I had already planned to collect the vaccine or receive the vaccine. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. It's by 3 and the time is 12:33, so I still have like time. I'm just going to finish my hot chocolate. Hope you guys are doing fine. I hope everyone is good. I'm trying to use my Canon camera. The focus of Canon is shit. Honestly, it is shit. I never knew how shitty it was till I used Sony. Yeah, I never knew how shitty it was. But will I use this camera? Yes. The thing is, Canon cameras are stronger than Sony cameras from what I've seen, because I've been watching a lot of videos, because in my head I was like, should I get a new camera? Canon cameras have like better battery life, even with how long they last. Whenever I see people's camera going bad, it's always Sony. It's always the Sony users. And let me tell you why I picked up this camera back to use. I picked up this camera to use because I watched somebody's video, like 2 people's videos, and they were complaining about their Sony cameras. Oh, their Sony ZV-1 packed up. And I use Sony ZV-1 to vlog, and I'm like, what? Okay, Canon, you go.
You?
No. Me, of course not.
Yeah.
But did you see her Instagram? She didn't sponsor.
How is it you? To put in your mouth.
Today's another day. Today's another day of me trying to go and get my COVID vaccine. I feel like I've suffered a lot because of this COVID vaccine. It's morning already, and I've gone there twice. Yeah, I've gone to 2 different places, but I'm going to the same place today that I went last time. I think the last clip I added. But anyways, I need to fix my room before going, because if I come back and my room is looking like this, I'm going to be fucking upset. Let's do it. You guys, so let me just be real right now. I'm gonna on my hair like this for like the first time. I usually don't go on my fro because confidence, you know. But this year, one thing I said I would do is I would rock my hair more, do what I want, tie a scarf, do the twist, take my fro. It's hard for me because in past years I didn't used to do it. I always wear a wig, and yeah. But now, first of all, I still have my wigs. Of course, I brought all my wigs to France, but I'm bored of them. It's like, okay, what's new? And I'm trying to explore more with my hair. Yes, did I do this makeup for an extra boost today? Yes, and that's totally okay. I always hear things like, you look more beautiful without makeup. First of all, I need to ask you. Second of all, makeup is art. Like, do you know what it means for you to be able to do your brows? Give yourself freckles. Increase your lip. Decrease it. highlights. Like, I don't think you guys get it, but I shouldn't be explaining myself anyways. But yeah, I'm just really happy that I'm able to wear my hair out. I'm so proud of myself. It sounds crazy, but I'm really, really proud of myself. Even though I'm just going to take my vaccine and I'm not going like, I'm going outside. That's what's important. I'm going outside and I'm going out with my hair. I'm so proud of myself, guys. Yeah, that's what I just want to tell you today. I just want to encourage anybody that is having issues wearing their hair out. Maybe you don't have the desired length. Trust me, I'm not even a fan of long hair. I like my hair short. I'm so used to wearing wig, like, so I don't even care about the length. Like, but you can do a lot to your hair, and I just want to encourage you that you're beautiful. If you need to wear makeup, wear makeup. If you need to wear a wig, wear a wig. But don't neglect your hair. I'm going for a run, and the time is 8:18. I've not run since I left Nigeria, and someone is encouraging me to do sports, so I am sort of ready. I'm wearing this leggings from Primark, my top is from Boohoo, and I'll finally be wearing these shoes from Adidas that was gifted to me. I got it as a gift to encourage me to run, which I did not. Anyways, it said 1st of March and I'm going to run if it doesn't start raining, because the wind outside feels like an earthquake is gonna go for a bit. But it's very windy, and yeah, so I'm wearing my shoes, guys. So these are the shoes. They're so cute. That's this pink thing. If you know me, you know I love pink.
When something happens to us, we don't understand marriage. You know, you usually end up marrying somebody that's just not like you at all. Yeah. And sometimes we feel like a weed and we want to be a flower.
So I'm using the lighting on my room right now because French houses have this very old way of bringing up the windows, opening and closing windows, long and short. And I tried to open my windows this morning when I woke up, and tell me why it broke. Like, the thing you used to wind it up broke. Let me finish my makeup because church is by 1:30. Tell me why I'm doing my makeup by 11. I'm ready to go to church. I'm going to church today, and this is my first time going to church in France, so I'm excited. So I'm wearing this top. It was gifted to me on my birthday by Eleanor. I'm wearing these jeans from Primark. I'm just gonna check this purse. It's pink. I'm in my pink girl era. It's saying, yeah. I'm like, church was very Nigerian. It was giving a lot of Nigeria. I felt like it just reminded me of my childhood, you know, those churches, the upcoming Redeem churches when you're growing up. Like, we just like 20 people in the church. That's how it felt. Very small church, cute, very Nigerian. They spoke English. took offering, did Thanksgiving. It's the first Sunday. You know, everybody, they wearing like the fabric, Ankara, Agbada. It was giving. And then first timer, they gave me the first timer snack, 2 meat pies and 1 drink. Yeah, it was nice. And then, you know, my new Nigerian friend, she showed me like some of the African shops where I can buy like turkey, like very Nigerian things, and I felt very at home. It was nice, really nice. Yeah, I'm just so glad. It feels like I now have sort of a community. And guys, I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. I think my next vlog I'll be in Belgium, but ciao, let's go. Bye loves.